Oh no, so it's starting, Kevin. It's already starting. Hey, Kevin! No! Kevin!
Let's go troll some people, boy.
Wait. Wait. I gotta get my gun. Wait, I gotta get my X. And I gotta get my... And I gotta get my... Wait. I think... My balloon.
Look, your body is super fat.
No, I'm not fat. Wait lang eh. Oh,
I'm gonna pop your balloon.
no. No.
I'm gonna pop you.
No.
I didn't get. So let's troll some people, you guys.
Oh,
Let's
you
rob their
already
house.
know it. Yeah.
Let's rob their house.
Bet only you can like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
In 3 seconds, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Let's rob this house.
Okay. Coming. You get the bed. I'm sorry, guys.
I can't spawn a bed.
We just learned Tagalog. Yeah, Tagalog.
We just learned.
And we live in Tagalog like...
Spawn a bed. I don't know how to spawn a bed.
Bro, just try it already. I will check a price. Fine, here's it. Wait. Here we go.
Wait for me, huh? Okay, wait for me.
Gotta spawn your bed your own.
No.
I'm bombed. Let's go rob a different
Wait,
thing.
I didn't get that.
Reset quarter now, Kevin. What is this? Wait, what is that? Kevin, where are you?
Guess this one.
Kevin, on...
Naman yung baby ko, may gift yan sa akin tomorrow.
Bakit?
So brainy naman.
Mommy?
So brainy naman ang baby ko na yan.
Okay guys, just ignore.
That's just Roblox.
Yeah. Yeah.
Didn't get me that.
Mami, nag-post kami ng video sa YouTube ulit.
Congrats!
Sana all.
Oh,
So guys, that was just my sister. Kendall. Yeah, Kendall.